I'm feeling so good today, man. I'm finna fuck around, do 125 on flat bench. Fuck it. But anyway, fuck it. Y'all come work out with me. Yeah, dig. I'm feeling way too good right now, Chad. Oh my God. I just want to say that check in. You about halfway through the workout. That's it. Let's keep it going. You dig.